What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to play Clash Royale on your PC or on laptop. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First what you need to do guys, just open your browser and say Google Play Games Beta PC. And open this first site. I leave you this link in description of video. When you open this site you will see here download beta. Click this and save your installation. And install Google Play Games. Open installation and go here run. A new window will open, go here install. And wait for installation process. When you install Google Play Games Beta on your PC, just go here sign in with Google. And you will see message you are signed in. Just close your browser and go here, looks good, check this and go finish. Just go on search and you will see most popular games here. You will see here Clash Royale. If you don't, just search it here and hit enter. And click on Clash Royale and go here install. If you see this yellow message, just go here check and go here OK. If you don't know how to turn virtualization in your BIOS, just watch this video. And that's it all guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I see you in the next video. Bye guys.